Welcome to the latest in our video series that walks through different scenarios where users need to log in with MFA and the solutions you can implement to make that happen. Some of these solutions are common, and others are more unique. If you have a specific MFA requirement scenario you're struggling to solve, let us know in the comments, and we'll make a video on how you can do that. Let's dive in. Today's scenario involves a man named James. James works in a high-security environment for a company that builds and operates solar farms. Because of the sensitive nature of the work, all internal systems are completely isolated. No external network connectivity is allowed. On top of that, the company doesn't issue smartphones to every employee. To boost security without compromising isolation, James's company has decided to implement multi-factor authentication, MFA. But they need to make sure the solution works without requiring an internet connection and without needing a smartphone. So what are their options? Let's take a look. Solution 1, hardware token. The first option is to use hardware tokens. Hardware tokens are physical devices that generate 6 or 8-digit one-time passwords, OTPs. They don't require any connectivity or pairing. They simply generate codes on demand. Here's how James would use one. After inputting his first factor credentials into his workstation, James selects hardware token from the authentication dropdown. He then presses the button on his hardware token, reads the number displayed, and enters it into the prompt on his screen. That's it. He's authenticated and can get to work. This method is ideal for environments like James's, especially when used with an on-premises deployment. Solution 2, FIDO2 security key. Another option is using a FIDO2 security key. These physical keys provide phishing-resistant authentication and are simple to use. For James, the process is just as straightforward. After entering his username and password, he selects security key from the authentication dropdown, inserts the key into the USB port on his workstation, and taps the button on the key to authenticate. No smartphone, no internet, and no hassle. FIDO2 keys also work with on-premises deployments and provide a user-friendly way to enforce strong security. These solutions give James and his company a secure, easy-to-use way to implement MFA without needing external connectivity or smartphones. LoginTC supports a wide range of authentication options to meet your organization's unique needs. Check out the next video in this series, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos all about MFA.